According to the World Heart Federation, 15 million people worldwide suffer from stroke, and nearly 5 million are left permanently disabled with paralysis every year. One of the common challenges faced in stroke rehabilitation is that it is demotivating and frustrating for patients due to repetitive therapy without feedback. Thus, one way of encouraging motivation is by providing patients with visual feedback of their movement, which acts as a goal for the patient to achieve. Another challenge faced is the method to measure the state of the brain before and after the rehabilitation process. According to Marcos Rios-Lago, recovery of functions is determined by calculating the connectivity over motor cortex of brain from the functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI. However, fMRI machines are not easily accessible and expensive, with a cost of about Rm800 per scan. Therefore, we have come out with our intelligent lower limb stroke rehabilitation machine, iLLSRM, with EEG monitoring system. Basically, our system is integrated with two major subsystems, namely the iLLSRM Rehab Training Machine and the Emotive Epoch Plus for the monitoring of EEG brainwave to quantify the brain functional recovery. Without further delay, let us have David for the demonstration of our intelligent system.
First, we have a GUI for physiotherapists, nurses or doctors to input the patient details, including name, IC number, age, gender, and paralysis side. Next, they can either choose continuous passive mode, CPM, or active resistive mode, ARM, depending on the strength of the paretic lower limb of that stroke patient. Let us begin with continuous passive mode, CPM. In this mode, the machine is assisting the knee flexion extension motion of patients who have totally lost the strength of their paretic limb. Now we will move on to the active resistive mode, ARM. In this mode, the patient needs to exert certain amount of force reaching the preset threshold in order for the machine to move. This mode is suitable for patients who have recovered some of the strength of their paretic limbs. Besides, physiotherapists can adjust the threshold value depending on the muscle strength recovery of patient from time to time. During the machine motion, a visual feedback display is placed in front of the patient. Two bars are moving with respect to the range of motion of the two limbs of patient, and the LED lights up when the range of motion is at maximum. This machine also has the real-time force display to monitor the muscle strength recovery. The paretic limb is considered to recover fully once it is able to exert the same magnitude of force as the non-paretic limb. At the end of the rehab exercise, doctors will proceed with the EEG measurement of the patient by putting the Emotive Epoch Plus device on the patient's scalp. Once the EEG data is recorded for 2 minutes, doctors can run the MATLAB GUI to measure the EEG brain beta coherence index as an indicator of brain functional recovery. Eventually, patient's details, force readings from machine, EEG beta coherence index and expected improvement are stored into a MySQL database, and it allows doctors to access from time to time in monitoring the stroke recovery of patients.
After exploring our system, how can it actually impact our society? For starters, it reduces physiotherapists' workload as repetitive tasks are replaced by the machine. At low price point, hospitals can opt to rent or purchase the product, thus increasing the accessibility towards the society. With society in mind, we too care about the environment, so our product goes paperless by storing data on cloud databases. We don't just want affordable medical health care, we want our product to be accessible by everyone. 15 million people are affected by stroke worldwide, and we want to be the difference in their lives. Together, we can build a healthier society and be the second chance they're looking for in life.